Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you guys are here. Welcome. My name is Jasmine. Welcome to Jas's Journey. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the premium box. And I don't know about you guys, anytime there's a holiday, I'm like, oh, that's another day that I have to wait for me to get my package, for me to receive my box. So this is one of those times that is a good thing because I was able to go out. We were able to go to the military base to go see our son, and I went to drive a lot of hours to go see him, but we were able to spend time with him. So it was helpful that we had a weekend, a long weekend, so we were able to spend some time together. And that's why in my Instagram you're gonna be seeing me unboxing some of those boxes, and you see water in the background, so he was able to take me there, that it was close to his base. But at the same time, I still have two other boxes that are coming. Those are the boxes that I did pay for, and now I'm waiting an extra day because it was a holiday, so it was like mixed emotions there. But while I wait, I'm gonna be opening this box, which this is a PR box, and today I am sharing with you guys the premium box. And as you know, I am loving glam. The glam vibes only is the theme for this month, and I'm excited because to me glam is anything that I could put some sparkles and touches there. I really love DIY, and that's what you see up there back there. So to me that is also glam, which I forgot to share in the other video. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start opening this box. This is variation number 8, and as you know, we have some great products, some great brands coming to Boxycharm this month. And the first thing that I do see is the Eloise the Queen palette. It comes with this lid here, and this one has 20 pigments in 4 stunning textures. There's going to be 8 buttery matte, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 dual chrome topper. So you're getting a lot of stuff in one palette, and I am loving that. I was able to create this makeup look using just this palette alone. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see a full tutorial how I did this eye makeup look, but I would like to include also the other palette that I got on the other unboxing that I did. This is a Hip Dot, this is a Cyan palette, and I am loving both of them. I also love that it's a bonus, they come with a mirror, and I'm loving those colors. And it's really the Eloise Beauty the Queen eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $46. So far I really like it. I was very impressed. I'm gonna try to do some swatches and add them on this side of the video. But what I was very impressed, I have even though I love purple, sometimes when you get purple shades, they're not as pigmented once you apply it and you start creating eye makeup look. Other problems that I had is that sometimes when you blend it and you blend it with another color, they start getting a little gray color. I know that makeup has gone so far that we get so many great pigmentation, and I was wild with this one. I did get some. There, so I'm excited that you could create so many eye makeup looks just using this palette here. So excited that we're all going to be getting this in our box. Next we have Marc Jacobs Beauty Dew Drops. These are coconut gel highlighter. This one retails for $45. I love that Marc Jacobs is coming to Boxycharm and the premium box. I'm excited that we're getting this. Marc Jacobs to me is luxury, so to me that is all glam. The only thing is that I got the shade Tantalized and it's pretty dark for me to just put it as a highlighter. So what I'm thinking of doing, any foundation that I have that is kind of light, I think I'm gonna add a drop of the Dew Drop in it, mix it together, because it does have a darker shade. I wish that I got the other shade. It's much lighter, but I've tried. I have done some videos showing you guys this product, and I love that it has coconut infused in there, and it's a gel highlighter. It's so luxury that it costs $45 for this product alone. So guys, just on this alone, it pays for the box, even and plus more, and you get a palette. Then we have the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. So like I mentioned, I did go out. I received the box a day before I was gonna leave, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try this oil to test it out and see how it works. It's based on targeted botanicals to support complexions of all ages and skin concerns to help the skin look younger naturally. I love all those oils, so I'm like, you know what, let me try it out. I don't think I have an oil in my skincare routine right now, so I was excited to try this out, and I did. I was impressed with the scent. Look at this color, and like I said, it's vegetarian and it's vegan. I love that, and I did try it. It did not feel heavy. It was truly lightweight, did not feel oily. I felt like when I got up in the morning, my skin looked so much better, and I really like this oil. So I did try this out, and I'm very impressed, and I'm including this on my skincare routine. And this oil retails for $55. Next we have Kitsch. I don't know if that's how you say it. Kitsch ice roller. This ice roller retails for $18. When you search this brand, you will see it in Sephora that they do sell different type of products, even for your hair. Do you guys miss this type of products? Some type of products that you use for your skin. This is an ice roller, and this is a new at-home facial, which is made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, and it helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation. So just on that alone, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna use that, because I've been watching medical grade doctors, and they do recommend for you to have to increase the circulation, the blood circulations on your skin. So then when you apply their products, it does penetrate a lot better in your skin. So you want to make sure that the products you're applying, they just don't stay on the surface, but they do penetrate. That it also depends on the product, but you want to make sure that when you're applying products, you do massage your skin. So I think this is going to make it a lot easier. I'm really into that. We got that product, and then we got Milk Makeup. I did apply the highlighter. I don't know if you could tell too much. I do like that you can see really big the color of the shade, but once I lifted up the lid, and I don't know if it's because it's hot or it melted a little bit, some of it stuck there, and when I try to apply, it does feel a little heavy on the skin, but it does look really pretty. There's a light scent. So this is from Milk Makeup, and I feel like we have received Milk Makeup in our other premium. I did not like that blush when I tried it, but now it's my go-to. And this one is a highlighter. This one is a dewy everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter, sticks that glides on for a natural glow. That's something that I do like. I do like their packaging, and it is really pretty. So how much does this cost, guys? This costs $28, and I don't know, let's see how that works, because at first sometimes I will be like, oh, I don't like it, but then I include it to my routine. So let's see. One thing that I noticed, sometimes you do see premium box that they have, almost everybody gets almost very similar. We don't see that many variation, and I do like that, because we all kind of get almost some of those great products. So I don't know if this is going to be like that this month. So next week, the Marc Jacobs, I applied this again today. I'm very scared to apply this because it's so waterproof, but what I do like is that it is so thin, so it is helping me build that look a lot easier, and it is helping me to create that line a lot easier. So this is something that I do like because it's so thin. So this is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. Loving that. Another product in the box from Marc Jacobs. This is a highliner gel eyeliner. This one is called Blacker. This one retails for $27. And for somebody like me that is not so comfortable using this type of product, it truly is making me feel a lot more welcoming to it and a lot more comfortable. So I am loving that. And you know what, I like that we're able to get all these type of products from Boxycharm for $35 with this box. So I really like this variation. I needed an oil. I like this highlighter. I think I'm going to try it more with a primer or a foundation. I love the palette. The highlight, I'm going to keep testing it out, but truly this is really, if you're like me, more into really skincare, I think this is a winner. And I'm impressed and excited to see this in the box. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I know we're all excited waiting to see what we're going to be getting in the boxes. So I hope you get a good box if you have subscribed to the premium box. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.